Here's what happened to the Aussie dollar at 2:30 p.m. when the rate hike hit the screens, and it's now trading back above 67 US cents. And here's what happened to the share market index at the same time. Now, most economists and the futures market predicted no hike today, so everyone was pretty surprised, of course. But should they have been? Here's the most recent RBA forecast of inflation, which is that inflation will reach the top of the 2 to 3% target band, that is 3%, in mid-2025, 2 years away. In the minutes of the April board meeting a fortnight ago, they said that that forecast was conditional on monetary policy being tightened a little further. And the board said it couldn't tolerate a slower return to target than that. Therefore, monetary policy had to be tightened a little further. And if you're going to do it, well, you might as well get on with it. Qantas's market value fell by about $350 million today after Alan Joyce's takeoff was announced. But that shouldn't have been a surprise either, really. Apart from that, the index closed almost 1% lower, with retailers and miners leading the falls, while Cleanaway cleaned up. Not much happened on commodity markets, small declines all round, and it was a similar story on Wall Street last night, where the big news was that JP Morgan scooped up First Republic Bank's deposits. Not the bank, just its deposits, because the bank was broke. When Silicon Valley Bank went broke on March the 10th, the big banks like JP Morgan were fine. But small ones were not, and First Republic went over a cliff. $100 billion in deposits was withdrawn in a hurry. The shares crashed and are now worth zero. But it's not a crisis this time, just a funeral. And that's finance.